Hey guys, how's it going? Today we have another Leslie RS3L to look at. So with this horn, this is a Tampa RS3L, which is your latest version of your RS3Ls. Before that you had Parsippany and Lyndhurst. So Tampa, they moved to Tampa in the mid 80s. I'll put it up on the screen what year it was. But anyway, with the RS3L, it does have your RS chambers, your spike back chambers. That's what they look like. It's got your spike backs, those are RS chambers. You also have dome back S chambers, and then you have aluminum tabby S chambers and bronze tabby S chambers. These started in 1977. That's when these came into manufacture, when they started producing them. But anyway, with the RS3L, you've got a 25, a 31, and a 44. That's your bells. This is on a low mount manifold. They also have a high mount, which is referred to as a diamond manifold also. So anyway, y'all seen one of these before. This is one of my other ones. It's got more of like a military paint scheme, I guess. Just wanted to do something different, but it turned out pretty good. Also, something interesting on this horn, which you can see here, and I'll put a picture up of it, is all these dents in it. Well, this is where it was on a locomotive one time, and apparently the 25 has stopped working. And they just think they can hammer it with a wrench and it's going to make it start working. So they don't know much about the horns, I don't guess. But anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the Leslie RS3L.